Hello children, hope you all watch part 1 and part 2 videos of virtual reality and augmented reality. This is part 3, that means the final part of augmented reality video. In last video, I told we will make simple augmented reality concepts using our mobile phone or smartphone. So that part we will cover in this video. So all of you watch this video and you need to do one activity after this. After watching this, if it is clear for you how to create the augmented reality using your phone, you should make simple augmented reality video and send to my WhatsApp number. Okay, so we'll start the video. So before starting, first we should know our phone will support this augmented reality. So almost all latest mobile phones will support this augmented reality. And if you are using iPhone, your OS should be 11.0 or above. And if you are using, and from Google Play Store, you need to download and install AR Core app. Almost all mobiles automatically it will install, but if it is not there, you need to install AR Core app. Then if you are using normal Android phone, the Android 7.0 and some devices will support Android 8. They say at least you need Android 7 or 8 versions to support your augmented reality, and you need to install AR Core app from your Play Store. So to use augmented reality in your phone, what is needed for augmented reality we should know. So augmented reality starts with a camera equipped device. Definitely we need a camera such as your smartphone, tablet or smart glasses. So now smart glasses are not available with us, so we'll use our smartphone loaded with AR software. That's same thing just now I told. You should download AR Core software from Play Store. When a user points the device and looks at an object, the software recognizes it through computer vision technology, which analyzes the video stream. That I will show you how to focus with your phone. So once you search in Google augmented reality softwares, you will get lot of free softwares or paid softwares. So now we are not using any other softwares to try this augmented reality. Whatever features are available in Google, from Google directly whatever features it's available, using that pictures we are going to create augmented reality. So first open Google, simply type there tiger. So tiger, commonly Google will provide this augmented reality 3D image. So type there tiger. So you will get lot of tiger images. In that, if your phone will support augmented reality, you can see view in 3D. Otherwise, only the tiger image it will provide. You can't see the 3D view. If in your mobile the 3D view is available, that means your phone will support augmented reality. Okay, so click on this view in 3D. So once you click view in 3D, it will give this type of one screen. There you can see the tiger image with view in your space. And one more thing I want to tell, in the screen itself you will get down more animals. So from this Google will provide some animals to create augmented reality. That animals you can select. So here now you can click, instead of this tiger, any animals which they provide down you can choose. Click on this view in your space. Once you click view in your space, it will show this type of one screen. So you need to focus your mobile camera in one place, which is the place is sufficient to keep your object. So now we selected the tiger image, so the place should be sufficient. You can see here. First let's find the ground. Point your phone downwards and move it around. So once you show your ground or the place and move around the camera, so if the screen is that place is sufficient for to keep the object, uh, automatically the object will place in that particular area. So focus your camera in the particular ground place. So this is what I tried. Once I show the phone, my camera, I focused in the ground. So when the object will find out the space is sufficient to keep the object, automatically it will keep the object in that particular area. Now that object I placed on my floor. And now I tried with different animals. So once you are, I will play and show you. So before that I want to tell you two things. First thing, the floor should be proper and the camera focusing should be proper. More than that, you need a good net connection. Otherwise you won't get the original feel. If your camera focusing is correct and if the net connection is very stable, you can feel the reality. See, now I tried with another animal. We have only one disadvantage or drawback in this. Very limited images are available in Google. So I will play and show you how I focus the camera. So this time my net connection was very stable. So hope you can feel the originality. This is the way to place the image. Sound also you can hear, but now I mute it. So now you see the second image. This time my net connection was not proper. So always you can see it is taking time to place the object. So simply once you focus, it won't record. In sender you can see one round button. Continuously press that. So after focus your camera, sender you can see one round button. Continuously press on that round button. Because of recording I can't take it screenshot. So I didn't add that part in this. So you should keep on pressing that one. You will get a red circle. Allow the red circle in one round continuously. That means one full video is recorded. So try to do it yourself in your phone. Send that video to my WhatsApp number. It's an activity all should do. So thank you children. Hope you all enjoy the video. Don't forget the activity. Try in your phone. Then that video send to my WhatsApp number. Thank you.